just wanted to get iPad as well.
It's still recording.
Yeah, I wanted to look at your beautiful face.
We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in.
This guy's gonna show me a house for 10,000 pesos a month. But I say he's lying. Nagsisinungaling. So he's gonna prove me.
Yeah, because I have a friend in South Korea because he rent the house only 10,000.
Okay. What's your name?
Lando.
Nice to meet you. Okay, let's go. Tarana. Say your name again, Tondo.
Lando.
Lando.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lando, I like this island. It's a good island.
I'm not lying for the like to you because I know that your money you can hard working there in your country. That's why the people honesty many comes give to you.
Hello, hello. The top one.
They have a foreigner there, rent. Look, they have aircon also.
Okay. So it's this one, yeah.
Yeah.
And the top is the part of this house.
Yeah. Oh,
No worries. And this is another place, right?
yeah, another place. Oh. know,
But you
I'm
can
lying.
see,
I'm not lying.
you can see the video. You're not lying.
Yeah, oh. I have a friend there. Also the foreigner there. They have also there.
Okay.
This one is 2 bedroom. Oh, look. Oh.
Two bedroom
They
house.
have aircon also.
Okay.
And they have 2 bathroom.
And the balcony. Okay.
I'm not lying to you.
Good, good.
Yeah.
That's
You-
good.
Oh,
Thank you. Do you have Dunket?
Dunket.
Is this Dunket?
Yeah, Dunket.
This one?
100.
Okay, 100. Let me take this one. You eat this. You like this?
It's very nice.
What is this?
Fish tapa.
Give me one of these as well. I'll try it. There's so many fish here. So many fish. How many hours?
4. Ay, vlogger.
This is our negotiate. We need to go to Cebu.
What is how long is the bus?
4 hours. Maybe 4 hours and 30 minutes.
And the taxi?
2 hours.
How much is the bus?
260 the
And the taxi to 2,500. It's 10 times more.
10 times, but you only 4.
So the problem was is we wanted to take the bus because we wanted to fuel the bus. But it's going to take long. We were supposed to get on 2:30, but it says cancel trip. So there's no 2:30 trip. So we are convinced and we made our phone a call. We're going to take a taxi just because we're afraid we're going to miss our flight. It takes pretty long to go down there, especially on the bus with lots of traffic. So we're going to get onto this big boat that takes a bus and cars on top of it. Get to Cebu and then straight to the airport. But we're still house hunting. This guy has showed me some interesting houses for a very good price. Let's come back maybe in a month. I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay, our taxi guy came in quickly. See, what's nice about this is if you take the bus, you already sit in the bus and it drives straight off the boat. That's what we wanted to do, but unfortunately we're not going to make our flight if we take the bus, but therefore we went with the decision to pay a bit more for a private taxi today. Next time when we come, we're going to try the serious bus. Check all the cars driving off. They are in a rush to get down this boat. Tarana! Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
We are now gonna go back and I'm gonna watch a movie and relax a bit. Okay, good. We are heading to Cebu airport now. Guys, Cebu was good, Bantayan was good, and Oslo was good. We are out.
There's music in the streets.